Welcome to RI4C TV. I'm Nick Quach, your host to our climate change video series, AOC. Feel free to post your question or comment below to interact with other viewers. Radiation, that means away from the body. When you eat too much beans and at once drink a lot of milk, you will eventually get everyone else in the room to rush away from the smell that radiates away from your body. The moral of the story is, eat beans or drink milk, but not too much of both at once. Substance, that means uniform properties. A substance is material that has uniform properties. All objects around the house are made up of solid substance. The water you drink is liquid substance. The air you breathe is vapor substance. Regardless of its state, be it solid, liquid, or vapor, the substance you can see or touch is called matter. Matter, that means physical substance. When you use your hand to crack an egg, you affect the behavior of the egg. When your parents push you away from danger, they affect your behavior. Power, that means affecting behavior. When you're affecting the behavior of an object or a person, you are using your power. Your physical power is called energy. Energy, that means physical power. When you eat, you convert food into energy. With energy, you can run and move your body. A car uses energy from gasoline to move its body. Energy is what moves an object from one to another position. Energy is what changes an object from one to another shape. Everything we experience is either matter or energy. Energy is either at rest or in motion. While in motion, it is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy involves doing the work. While at rest, it is called potential energy. Potential energy does not involve doing the work. Heat is a common form of kinetic energy. Heat is energy on the move. Heat, that means transitional energy. If you cannot stand the heat, transit yourself out of the kitchen. Heat measures how energy moves or flows. An object can gain heat or lose heat, but it cannot have heat. Heat is a measure of change, not a property of any object. In contrast, temperature describes the average kinetic energy of particles within a body. Temperature is a measurable physical property of an object. When there is a suitable path between two systems with different temperatures, heat transfer occurs necessarily, immediately, and spontaneously from the hotter to the colder system. When you run around, your body generates a lot of heat. The heat raises your body temperature. You have to take off your jacket to let go of the heat. When you take off your jacket, the heat is naturally transferred from your warm body to the cool air. Your body always has a temperature, but it does not always carry the heat. A dead body, for example, does not carry heat, but we can always measure the temperature of that body. When you cook, you transfer energy in form of heat from the stove to the food eventually. The transferring of heat away from the heat source without contact between the heat source and the heated object is called radiation. Radiation is how you can burn yourself without touching the heat source. When you put your finger near a flame, you will feel hot even without touching the flame. The invisible radiation is what can burn your finger. The invisible radiation is what can kill you. In general, the movement of energy away from a body is called radiation. Radiation, that means away from the body.